design team member with Scrap Shotz, and I'm here today to do an unboxing of the April kit, which features the Carta Bella paper company collection here. That is just like all the things glorious spring colors. If you love sort of that wood accent look and pink, this is absolutely the kit for you, and I'm super excited to show it to you today. So I haven't done an unboxing in a little while. I'm one of those folks who has the pleasure of being in the healthcare worker world, and so it's been a crazy couple of months, but things are starting to feel a little bit stable. Fingers crossed. We are flattening the curve here in British Columbia, and so starting to try and get back to some normal life stuff, non-COVID stuff. So that includes unboxing. So really excited that the one I get to start with is something so fun and bright and outdoors, and yeah, it's going to be really good. So here we go. I have a few items here that are part of the add-on versus the kit, but I wanted to show you everything that Scrap Shotz sent me just so you could see all the variety of things that are in the shop and or that you may have gotten in your kit and that I'll be playing with this month. So let's start with the paper. All right, so the kit includes all 12 pieces of paper from the kit collection, as well as the 12 by 12 sticker sheet and coordinating cardstock, and I believe we have 6 pieces of those. So I'll just start with the cardstock here, or sorry, the pattern paper here, because well, that's my favorite thing ever in any kit. So again, this is the Carta Bella Paper Company, and this is the Farmhouse Market collection, and this one here is called Lovely Floral. It. Cut aparts, very cool. You kind of get that wood vintage look, and then the pink, and then those teals. Oh, vintage right there. That's hilarious. And this one is called 3x4 journaling cards. I love this. This looks like it's been painted on. That one's going to be great. Ooh, I'm excited about that. And kind of a couple of tones in there of pink. This one here, a floral motif, bringing in a little bit of red here, which I quite like. And then, oh wow, that's filing boxes. Ooh, I really like that. I have some ideas for that. Sorry, this one is called Antique Floral. Really good. This is another cut apart. Love that these tags could be used by a 4x6 or cutting each of those individual. Pretty sure I'm gonna cut them individual. Really good little sayings here. And love that plaid. And this one is called 4x6 journaling cards. That one is super cute. Oh, super cute. Circles, gotta love them. They're my thing these days. This is wreaths. Well, because they're wreaths, obviously. And that's really cool. Just a wood, a very natural wood background, and then it looks like they've been painted on and been stamped on. So something that you could definitely build on to create your own pattern paper, just using this as the foundation. Sounds like I might be doing that. Ooh, more tags. Love tags. Nice. This is really cute. And love that plaid. This one is called tags. Gotta love that about Carta Bella. They call their paper what they are. Oh, I love this. I want to fussy cut these. I'm going to fussy cut these. This one is called Timeless Floral. Oh, that's the hard part when I like the B side as well. Or is this the A side? These little baskets are adorable. Little tags. This is really cute. The real things haven't changed. It is still best to be honest and truthful, to make the most of what we have, to be happy with simple pleasures, and have courage when things go wrong. Laura Ingalls Wilder. That's amazing. One, who it's by, but also just in this time. That's very cool. I love that. Hey, more baskets. There, I'll get my way. I get both sides. Oh, love that. Love that. This one is called Baskets. Sorry, it humors me how obvious they name their stuff. Love these farmhouses. That's too cute. Or barns, farmhouses. I guess you could live in a barn. This one here, ooh, that's gorgeous. That's getting used. This is called Barn Floral, but as much as I love the barns, this is just right up my wheelhouse. And again, it sort of has a couple of tones of the teal. Love that. Love that. Oh, perfect, right? This is called Cubies. Cute. And these are just books. And I bet you they're probably pretty cool books. And that one, gorgeous again, looks like it's been painted, really good to build on, and it looks like a whitewash wood. And then circles, which I think are actually embroidery hoops. And this one's called Floral Corners, because why? There's florals in the corner. And then this guy here, love it. And a nice blue plaid, and this one is called Vintage Floral. Very cool, love it. Wow, some definite favorites in here. Just because this is how I roll, I'm just gonna do this. Because you know, this is how I like to just organize myself based on what I think I'll use first. Love it. All right, back to that. The coordinating cardstock that's included are a couple of pieces of this guy called Aqua, because why wouldn't it be? Good. A couple of pieces of this guy, which is called Walnut. Nice, nice, nice brown. I like that. It feels like it has a bit of a pink to it. And then Blossom, just a really classic pink, and you can just see right there just how well these go with that entire collection. So that's pretty awesome. Love that. Also included is this 12 by 12 the element sticker sheet from the collection. So I'll just stay on that for a little bit there. Love all the little phrases and that there's so many little things to put in places. I just love when there's a good mix of big and small stickers. And I do get my barn. Yay. That's awesome. An add-on this month as well is the washi tape from the collection, so hopefully you can see that okay. I'll just make sure I'm in the camera there. It's wood with those painted florals and the like white stamped florals on there. That's awesome. Here are some little matching paper flowers with a gem in the middle. How cute are those? And they match fantastically, absolutely perfect. Some enamel dots. I think these are also an add-on, but I'll make sure to link below to what is an add-on and what's still in the shop there. And those match perfectly, and hopefully there's not too much glare. It's actually sunny in Vancouver, so I'll kind of leave that this way, so hopefully you can see that okay. And these are the chipboard phrases. I think these are an add-on as well. Again, I'll just link below. Love that the little pile of, a little row of those filing boxes are there. That's cute. And some banners, always fun. Very cute little cross-stitched heart. Love it. Chipboard accents. Make sure you can see those okay. Sorry about the dog. And it's neat that some of the pieces are in stickers and in chipboard. I really like that. That's cute. Love that. And here is the adhesive brads. So you can see there's some. I'll just try to hold that up a little bit. Some that have gems in them, some that are pearl, some that are pictures, and then some additional chipboard on there. And this little basket even has a little gem on it. Love it. And then some thickers, because why wouldn't ya? And these are wood, and they are gorgeous. Oh, I love thickers. Oh, yay, and they have numbers. That makes me happy. Love it. Love that font. That is a really nice font. Not too feminine, not too childish. Just really kind of subtly designed. I like that. And then of course, who can create without some die cuts? Here's some die cut cardboard pieces, cardstock pieces. And I will try and zoom in there instead of making you listen to me open the package. Super cute. Super cute. Little tags in there, some sayings. Love it. Those will be great to tuck and put little places. Love that little home sweet home. That'll be good. So that is that. That is what I'm playing with. That is the April kit plus some add-ons. Wow, there's a lot there to play with. I need to think of what I'm going to do with this. I'm sort of leaning towards a gift for someone, which I cannot say here because he or she or they may be watching this video. Stay tuned. Either way, I am off to play. I am always excited when I do my unboxings. You can probably hear it in my voice because that means as soon as this is done, I confirm it's recorded, I go and I'm immediately into cutting stuff and ripping stuff, and yeah, so always a really exciting day. Anyway, I hope you all are staying healthy and well and staying home if you can during these just unprecedented times, and I'm just really so honored as a scrapbooker to have something that I can do when I'm home that gives me that creative outlet and kind of gives us a chance to put the world outside the door and just focus on something that brings us joy. So I hope that you have those moments as well. So stay healthy, stay home. We'll get through this together. Thanks.